If you're not going to take the step up, I'd recommend coming back here.
Let's see who's packed in. Yeah. Yeah, that's a unfinished, what's called a zoomor. Sweet. Okay. This is McKee Springs petroglyph panel. A really cool spot. These petroglyphs are ranging from about the 2,000-year-old mark to as new as 500 years old. These people are in here for a very long time. Anyone want to give a guess of how long the Fremont people, so there's 3 areas of Fremont, ancient archaic Fremont, ancient Fremont, and then historic Fremont people. Anyone want to give a guess of how many years they were around? Starting from like now. About 8,000 to 10,000 years. So lots of history, lots of history. What was that? Oh, you saw it. This one's really... Forward 2. Backward 2.
That's one of my favorite rapids at this water level. All the rocks poke out and there's lots of little drops and fun stuff to play around with. Keep your eyes peeled for bighorn sheep on River Left. They tend to hang out on these sort of flat, rocky, bushy areas. And I've only ever seen them on River Left, I've never seen them on River Right. When we talk about River Left and River Right, it's always the same side. So the river carved out this canyon, and as it moved sort of through different weak spots and weak layers, it moved laterally and would have undercut this side. So the river will deposit rocks around the inside of bends and cut along the outside. And so as it's come around here, it's cut down this rock and it's deposited this rocky beach here. And you can see it's been doing that slowly for hundreds and hundreds of years.
Stop for lunch. Guys are setting up. We just came through a rapid that's called TSL. L stands for lunch. We're trying to figure out what the T and the S stands for. Jim hasn't figured it out yet, has he?
Oh yeah, I've been making
I don't know if those are deer track or bighorn sheep, which they say are abundant around here.
So you guys figured out it was taco salad lunch?
No, I didn't hear him for that.
No. Thought of everything but that.
That's okay. The canyon's actually just as big on both sides. It's just a little hard to see the top on River Left, which is to our right now, but it's still River Left.
like my glasses are getting crushed.
Woohoo!
You grab them. I didn't know if you saw.
All right, Nate. Yeah.
I mean, I'm gonna try not to.
And then you're jumping like this way.
Oh,
Yeah.
that one.
Yeah, exactly.
So I can splash all of them.
Yeah, you can splash everyone if you do a big cannonball.
I didn't agree.
Taking it. 1, 2, 3.
Awesome. And then if you guys want to try and get back in the boat yourself, you can. I recommend doing it on the sides, not the bow or stern, because it's much higher out of the water. Nice, dude.
First person of the season for me to get into the boat by themselves without even having to tell them out. That was sick.
Yeah, good job, buddy.
Oh, for sure.
How was the jump?
Here, I'll try and pull him away.
Keep spinning.
Feels tired. Do it.
Hey, you guys want to go? Crawl onto this boat?
And if you're having trouble getting in, I can give you a hand over here.
Oh my gosh, it's way higher.
It always feels higher when you're up there.
Are you going to do it?
Yeah. And forward.